How we doing today, everybody? It's Watch Display here. Still wearing the Rolex Submariner 168000, or the 000, or the transitional is what they call this one. It does have the beautiful custard patina tritium markers, hands and second hand, as well as the lume pip up there. It's actually a lot more patinaed in person than it is right now with all the lighting and everything for the video. But the extra zero actually stands for the first of the Rolex Submariners that actually had 904L stainless steel. So the actual zero is not actually even in the archives. It would be listed as a 16800, and actually on the back of the case back of this one, it actually is a 16800. But that extra zero signifies, like I said, the transition right when they first started adding 904L stainless steel on the, technically the 5-digit Submariners, even though it is a 6-digit Submariner, even though it's not a true 6-digit Submariner. All right, so today I have for you the 116618, or the solid gold Rolex Submariner Bluesy. Bluesy's the nickname for it. This one does have the Sunburst Dial. Some people say that the Smurf Blue Dial will be more collectible in the future since it wasn't made for very long, and that might be true given the collectability of Rolex and things that are discontinued. However, I do not like the look of the flat blue dial compared to the Sunburst. This dial is very dynamic, and that's what makes me love the Bluesy so much. So why did I go into gold? I honestly got tired of paying retail for stainless steel watches, and I got tired of not being able to walk into an authorized dealer and buy what I wanted. And I've always desired gold watches. You'll see back where I had older day dates, and I've had the two-tone version of this. But at the end of the day, I love gold. I like the heft of it, and personally, I'm tired of playing the Rolex game. And this isn't a complaint. It's just strictly I'm over having to struggle to source a stainless steel Submariner. It just doesn't make much sense to me. Let's get this one started up. It just came right out of the case. I haven't worn it in about a week. But this one, of course, has the oyster bracelet with the polished center links. You can still have the stickers on that part of the clasp. And that's actually the part of the clasp that, since I wear it on my left hand, would actually desk dive right at that angle. So I decided just to leave those on until they fall off, but I went on and took all the other markers or stickers off. But of course, like I said, this is a 6-digit, so it's got the super case, got the maxi dial in terms of larger markers. I just personally love gold, and a lot of people think that gold watches are flashy, and in a way they are. However, I wear this watch with basketball shorts and like track shoes. It doesn't, and I've always been that way. I've worn day dates like that. I just wear a watch when I want to wear a watch, and it's not that I'm trying to get more attention. It's not anything like that. I just personally prefer gold watches. And a lot of people would say, well, you're not getting the amount of gold. You're not getting the amount of gold. If you were to weigh this, it's like 225 grams. That's not including the ceramic, the sapphire crystal, or the movement, of course, the dial. That's just an overall weight to it with all the links. And you would factor that up in 18 karat yellow gold, that really wouldn't be scrap of what the retail is, which I think is like, if I'm not mistaken, it's like $32,000 is retail on this one. But think of that as stainless steel. So at a Submariner that retails for whatever it retails at, is it like, I can't remember what the retail is on the stainless steel version, but is it really worth that much in stainless steel? No, not even close. A fraction, not even a third. Significantly less value. So it's hard to actually take actual weight of material and factor that in and say, is this worth it? At the end of the day, it's, do you like gold, or do you not like gold? I personally got tired of wearing two-tone. I don't it's okay, and it's great for someone that wants to wear something every single day that doesn't want something that scratches super easy, because 18 karat yellow gold does scratch. It does. And I mean, you'll see some scratches on my clasp every once in a while. Nothing deep. I mean, everything could be polished out, but you can see it's stamped 750. And a lot of people don't realize it actually has a crown stamped in a circle on that lug. And then on this lug, you'll see over here, is stamped 750. And then on both of these two lugs, it's like another symbol. It's hard to make it into focus, but I'm talking about this lug up here. But you get the idea. There's 4 different markings on the bottom, and then on the clasp you have a similar engraving there, and then you have a 750, and then of course all the other markings. This one still has the Easy Link in it. It has everything the stainless steel Submariner has in it, except for it's made of solid gold. And even on the two-tone version, that has obviously the gold crown, the gold bezel, gold center links, and then everything else is stainless steel. You'll notice the chapter ring on this one is gold, which I actually find looks a lot better than what the two-tone bluesy had with the I guess it's stainless or white gold or whatever it's made of inside of the case on that chapter ring. I think it transitions a lot better with the gold markers, the 18 karat yellow gold markers and hands and everything. I think it just ties in really well together. But this is just a beautiful watch. I highly recommend it. And you can walk into most dealers. They might not have it in stock right away, but you can ask for them to get it or try to source one, and generally you can find one. And like, I actually didn't buy this from one of my local AD, but I was able to source one within, I think, 24 hours. I mean, I literally wanted it and I got it. I didn't have to play any games. But like, again, this is the Rolex Submariner 116618LB, which stands for the Sunburst Dial. And the 8 after the 6 stands for the 18 karat yellow gold. And you'll see it has the beautiful ceramic blue bezel. If you have any questions, I can compare this one to the two-tone. Well, I don't have the two-tone anymore, but you're more than welcome to ask me any questions in regards to my thoughts and comparison, as well as even the comparison to the stainless steel, which I currently don't have a true 6-digit stainless steel right now. But thanks for joining me, and have a great day, and check me out on Instagram at Watch Display.